Mysterious, enchanting, sheltered from the crowds, located on the very edge of the Vrnjačka Park, between the springs Snežnik and Slatina, there is, in many ways, a special place for both Vrnjačka and visitors to this beautiful spa, spring Jezero. It is located next to the pond, which gives extra charm to the fairy tale scene we come across. Although located in a part with high activity of mineral groundwater, this spring was put into use only in 1978, when the first fountain was installed on it. In the following years, the improvement of this spring continued, so that in 1985, about 10 meters from the first one, another drilling was performed, and the current shape, with the installation of the biveta, was given in 1989. What is special about this spring is that, located in the valley, on the left side of the Vrnjačka River, and between two cold springs, Snežnik 16.8C and Slatina 14C, the Jezero spring is a hot spring. The water at the spring has a temperature of 27°C, and this information gives a special charm to enjoy near a small pond. The shade provided by the park, which is dotted with various trees in this part, allows for a pleasant rest after a walk. The source itself and the accompanying facilities provide many opportunities, both for the elderly and the young. The lake is a confluence of various cultural and other events and certainly completes a beautiful picture that gives us Vrnjačka Banja.